Hey guys, Joe Rachel here. I am finally back with the official Rayno heat box. Rayno Window Films was kind enough to send me this heat box. It took me a little while to get this together, but I finally did. I've got actually one side open here because I broke the glass, so I got to get another piece of glass for that. But what we've got in this video is I'm going to compare the S5, S7, and S9, right? So when I first started to think about the ceramic films, initially I kind of thought it was gimmicky. I didn't believe that there was really truly going to be any difference in the film or the ability to filtrate out the infrared heat. I didn't believe that there was going to be much to it. I thought really, okay, this is something the big film companies are doing to sell really high dollar brand name films, and I was wrong. And so this heat box here, if I have a customer come in and they're interested to know the difference, I can literally produce right before their eyes. They can hold their hand up here and see the difference in this heat box and how the films operate. And so what it boils down to is, let's see here. I think I'm gonna go with this angle here. So basically, you can turn this light on in the heat box, right? And you can feel the amount of heat coming through. And so you can spin it around to the different levels, and literally you can tell the difference between the different qualities of film and how much heat is penetrating through. And I wanted to be able to show this in a video so that I could put this up on my website and share it with people, and they could really see the video and know that it was a legitimate thing and I wasn't just making up stories. So how could I go about doing that and show it and convey the results through a video and make them believable and credible? Well, I actually happen to have this temperature gun at home, which is basically a laser based, I believe it's a laser. I don't know how the beam works actually. I'm sure somebody will comment and tell me. But what it does, and I'm gonna put this, so I can show the results, I'm gonna put this GoPro head cam on here in a second, and I'm gonna show the results of the test. But basically I could point this at any surface and give a temperature reading of that surface. This is something that would be used in the automotive industry. I personally used to use this when I raced little gas-powered RC trucks. You can measure the temperature of the motor in your pit stop and see if you're overheating and kind of gauge the performance of your vehicle that way. So I'm going to use this temperature gun here to measure the heat that is coming through these different panels, through these different film qualities of Rayno window film. And in the future I'll do another video with the competitors' films. But for now, I wanted to make a video to show that this is actually legitimate, and to claim that this material is filtrating different levels of infrared heat coming through the window. It is a legitimate claim, and it really is effective, and it really is worth your time and your money to look into this to protect you, yourself, your family, your car's interior, your skin, the damaging rays coming in from the sun, all that good stuff. It's worth it. It's something to look into. So what I've done is I've taken this box, it's just a vinyl film box, and I've actually wrapped a side of this. And what I want to do is, if I point this heat gun right at the bulb, I don't get an accurate reading. And it's not going to give you the results that you would expect to see coming into your vehicle, right? So you want to be able to know, like, how is the different levels of film, how are they going to perform differently, and what are they going to do for whatever's inside the car, whether it be your skin and how much heat is hitting your skin from the sun, or the surfaces of the interior parts inside. How is this film going to protect those surfaces from damage from the UV and the IR infrared heat coming in from the sun? So this box is going to represent those surfaces inside the car. I'm going to take a temperature reading here, and I'm going to do 10-second increments so you can see that this is actually really something that is happening in real time and that it's really actually working. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give different readings here, okay? And we're going to start out with this clear, so there's nothing there. We're going to start out with that particular side, And I'm gonna go to, let's see, this is a little bit tricky, so I'm gonna go, let me switch this around, and I am going to bring this, I think, to this position here. All right, and so what we're gonna be looking at and focusing on is this surface here. All right, so let me get this all set up, and I just really want you to see the temperature gun readings, okay? I think I've got a fair angle there. We should be good on the angle. All right, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. And we've got a reading of 87 degrees. You seen that there? 86 it dropped down to now. We're gonna let that surface cool so we can get an accurate reading, and we're gonna move to the first level of film. This is the S5 Rayno window film. Okay, and so here we go. I'm gonna take another reading just to kind of zero this out. And here we go. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. And we're at 81. So you can see 81 degrees there. Now let's let that cool down. We'll let this surface cool. It is actually picking up the heat. So what we have here, just to recap, is we have a clear piece letting nothing but this heat lamp come through. All full infrared heat capabilities coming through, no filtration. So we had 87 degrees there. Then we moved to the Phantom S5 Rayno window film, which is the introductory level, or the first level of Rayno ceramic, nano infused ceramic, carbon infused window film. And so let's take a test here at the S7, okay? 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. 75 degrees, okay? So now we've had a reduction from 87 to 81 to 75 degrees, okay? Now let's do the S9. This is the higher end, top of the line Rayno window film, nano infused carbon ceramic, nano carbon ceramic technology. Sorry, I'm not professionally a guy. I don't do professional video work here, so bear with me. Here we go. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. 72 degrees, okay? So guys, what we have here is a true to life, real example of the different qualities of nano carbon ceramic technology window film from Rayno, which I've explained before. They've taken the nano ceramic and the carbon substrate and they fused it together and made one substrate base layer, which is really cutting edge. It's going to be revolutionary, and it's going to revolutionize the window film manufacturing process. I do believe. That's my guess. It's early in the game, but it seems to be a technological advancement that is, I would assume, is going to take hold in the industry. And what we've done is we've measured with this light box. Now, you can feel this real time when you are present and here with the box. You can actually feel the difference, but in order to convey that to you through video, what I wanted to do was really use some equipment and a process of testing that would make it evident to you that this is legit, that this is real. It's something for you that you can do a little research and use it, purchase something that makes sense for you and benefit you with your car and your family in mind, and all the things that would make sense for you in your purchase. So this is just a little test of the performance that you can get with Rayno window films. And there, again, I'm looking at the sign because I want to make sure I do give it credit for exactly what it is. Nano carbon ceramic window film technology by Rayno window film. So hope that helps you guys to get a good bit of insight as to what's available here and what it can do for you. And we will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Joe, Film Pro at filmproficient.com. Take care.